Rautaruukki Corporation is a Finnish company, headquartered in Helsinki, which manufactures and supplies metal-based components and systems to the construction and engineering industries. The company was founded in 1960 by the Finnish government to provide the steel supply needed by the nation's heavy industries. Since part-privatization in 1994, the state has gradually decreased its holding in Rautaruukki to 40%, and the firm is now a constituent member of the OMX Helsinki 25 Index. The name of the corporation means simply ironworks in Finnish. The firm consists of three business areas: construction, engineering and metals. Rautaruukki produces a range of products for clients in various industries, including cabins and chassis for heavy vehicles, hot-rolled steel plates and coils, roofing sheets and building and bridge structures. The company employs around 11,800 people, e.g., in the Nordic countries, the Baltics, China, Russia, Ukraine and Central Eastern Europe. History: 1960s. Rautaruukki was founded by the Finnish government in 1960. Also Outokumpu, Valmet, Wärtsilä, Rauma-Repola and Fiskars were involved in the company's birth. The main purpose for the new company was to guarantee the availability of raw materials for the Finnish metal industry, e.g., shipbuilding. Rautaruukki's steel mill in Raurahi did not use the traditional ingot casting method, which was still used in other Western countries, but produced steel with the cost-efficient continuous casting technique. The company grew from 6 people employed in 1960 to more than 1,700 by the end of the 1960s. 1970s. In the 1970s, Rautaruukki portfolio expanded to sheets and pipe products because it wanted to reach a wider range of customers. A cold rolling mill was established in Hämeenlinna where tube production was started. A second blast furnace was also opened in 1976 in Raurahi. In the end of the decade, Rautaruukki had over 7,000 employees. 1980s. Rautaruukki began to grow in Western Europe by establishing sales offices and making acquisitions. It bought a color coating works called Metal Color AS from Denmark, a steel wholesale business called CCB Group and from Norway, and a tube mill called Schmack Raw GmbH from Germany. In 1989, Stelform AS was established in Denmark. In the end of 1980s, Rautaruukki employed almost 10,000 people. In 1989, Rautaruukki became a publicly traded company. 1990s. In the 1990s, Rautaruukki invested to increase the degree of production's upgrading. It also entered the construction business by acquiring Finnish steel roof manufacturer called Ranila. The markets in Eastern Europe were opened first in the Baltics and Poland, followed by Russia, Ukraine, the Czech Republic and Hungary. In the end of the decade, Rautaruukki had 5,000 employees outside Finland, employing altogether over 12,000 persons. 2000s, when Sakari Tamminen started as a new CEO in January 2004, he began a wide renewal program. All the companies in Rautaruukki Corporation began using Ruukki as the marketing name. According to the new strategy, Ruukki began to focus on special steel products and on the solutions businesses in the construction and engineering industries. Ruukki executed demanding construction and engineering projects around the world. The acquisitions in the 2000s included Velsa Metalplast and Sineco Industri AB and PPTHOO Vental, Omeo, AZSD Color and Steel Mont in 2006. Ruukki started in China in 2005. It opened the first sales office in Shanghai in 2009. Now there is office also in Beijing. 2010s. In May 2011, Rautaruukki Corporation's organization was renewed. It now has 3 divisions: Rautaruukki Construction, Rautaruukki Engineering and Rautaruukki Metals. In 2011, Rautaruukki introduced new product, an energy panel which helps to improve the energy rating of buildings, and opened a sales office in Mumbai. In 2014, Swedish steel maker SSAB has agreed to buy Finland's Rautaruukki Corp. The deal has not yet been approved by the antitrust authorities. Organization: Rautaruukki has 3 business areas: Rautaruukki Construction, Rautaruukki Engineering and Rautaruukki Metals. Rautaruukki Construction. Rautaruukki Construction's solutions are for life cycle and energy-efficient steel structure in the construction industry. Rautaruukki Construction's products are used in commercial, office and industrial construction, as well as in the construction of single-family houses, ports, wind turbines and infrastructure construction. Investments Rautaruukki has made in Russia has delivered results, for Rautaruukki is now the largest steel constructor on the Russian market west of the Urals. In May 2011, Rautaruukki stated it was the first manufacturer which had developed a solar panel facade converting the sun's rays to electricity. The photovoltaic system is fully integrated into a facade, and the electricity produced can be used either to serve the needs of the building itself, or it can be fed into the public grid. A solar panel facade of an average office can produce 18,000 kilowatt-hours of electricity yearly. Rautaruukki Construction's products can be found, for example, in the following buildings. Alma Media's new office building was to be opened by the end of 2012. It has a steel frame supplied by Rautaruukki. A mail terminal at Hallsberg, Örebro County, Sweden, has steel frame, facade and roof structures from Rautaruukki. Rautaruukki Engineering. Rautaruukki Engineering focuses on providing fully assembled systems and components for the engineering industry. The unit's products include cabins for mobile machines, special steel components, components for the lifting, handling and transportation industry, wind turbine components, oil sumps, base frames for generators and engines. Rautaruukki Metals. In 2011, the Rautaruukki Metals business unit employed around 5.400 people and had net sales of €1.691 million and operating profit of €80 million, which makes it the largest business area of Rautaruukki. In autumn 2011, Rautaruukki introduced Flex Service concept. Instead of standard sizes, customers can get exactly the size of stainless steel and aluminium they need, which helps to reduce the customer's waste, material and energy costs. Rautaruukki Metals' special steel products include high-strength, wear-resistant and specially coated products, wear-resistant Rayex and ultra-high-strength Optim structural steel. Rayex is used in ships, concrete mixers, crushes, screening equipment, excavator buckets and demolition equipment. The advantage of Rayex is in its lightness. A steel container made of Rayex is 40% lighter than a container made of regular steel, so it is easier to handle and cheaper to transport. Optim is used in aerial and various transportation tanks and containers. Optim weighs also less than regular steel. Rautaruukki Metals' other products are rolled steel products, metal and color-coated steels, tubes, bars, beams, stainless steels and aluminium and mineral products, which comes as a byproduct of the steel-making process. The unit also provides product-related services including prefabrication, parts processing, logistics and storage. According to the company's his strategy. It is not worth shipping mild steel far by world standards, but it does pay to ship spearhead products to the other side of the world. For example, recognitions. The 2011 Steel Construction of the Year award was given to Kilden Performing Arts Centre in Kristiansand, Norway by the Finnish Constructional Steelwork Association. Rautaruukki Construction delivered the frame and was responsible for the detailed design, fabrication and installation of the steel structures for the centre. The construction of Kilden showed an innovative combination of different materials, steel, wood and stone. Rautaruukki has received awards for promoting sustainability. In autumn 2011, Rautaruukki achieved the position of industry leader in 2 Dow Jones Sustainability Indexes in October 2011. Rautaruukki got World Still's Prize for Sustainability Reporting. Management. Sakari Taminen is the president and AMP CEO for Rautaruukki. Ownership. The largest shareholders for Rautaruukki Corporation on the 31st of December 2011 were Solidia Moi 39.67%, Ilmarinen Mutual Pension Insurance Company 3.72%, Varma Mutual Pension Insurance Company 2.51%, the State Pension Fund 1.39%, Odin Funds 1.03%.